16 new reed beds at Hanningfield Reservoir, designed to take 3 million litres of liquid sludge produced by the water treatment process every day. This is a world first for Essex and Suffolk water, as reed beds have been used for sewage and food manufacturing, but not for the sludge from the production of drinking water. The natural system is an effective way of recycling the water in the byproduct without the need for mechanical or chemical processes.
The sludge we produce is 99.8% water, so it's really important that we capture that water for reuse. Had we gone down the mechanical system, a lot of that water would have been tankered off site and lost, so we would have had to repump back into Hanningfield Reservoir from Langford, one of our other water treatment sites, whereas this project we're actually recapturing that, saving money on tankering costs, saving money on pumping costs.
The £4.5 million reed beds will provide a sustainable solution for dealing with the liquid sludge over a longer period, and it is hoped eventually that a fertiliser can be produced from the remaining solid material after evaporation. Natural Environment Minister Benyon MP visited the reed beds during May 2013, and he was shown around the project by Heidi Mottram, Chief Executive of Northumbrian Water Limited, parent company of Essex and Suffolk Water.
We're really pleased to have Benyon here visiting us. He's the Minister for Water, and we're showing him our world-leading innovative project here at Hanningfield Reservoir, the new reed bed system that was put in autumn last year and is now being used in Anger.
The 16 new reed beds have a surface area of more than 10 acres and are an essential part of the drinking water treatment process. The Hanningfield Water Treatment Works produces more than 225 million litres of water a day.
I've been really excited to see this because I think Essex and Suffolk Water have got something to be really proud about here. This is the future. This is a company that is saving its shareholders money by building a cheaper alternative to mechanical process. It's saving its bill payers money by doing that. It's using natural systems to the benefit of wildlife, locking up carbon and all the other benefits that come from this. And I think it's truly impressive. I want to see this happening elsewhere around the country. As we go into the price review, I want to make sure that companies are incentivised to take this brave decision now, knowing that the technology works.
Traditional methods of dewatering sludge involve mechanical systems which require high levels of maintenance labour and power, with the new system saving 70 tonnes of CO2 emissions a year compared to alternative methods.
It's great that the company's got the opportunity now to push this scheme forward, and hopefully other water companies will follow suit. And we're actually returning more water back to the reservoir than any conventional system, i.e. the mechanical system. Double benefit, we're actually putting this water through the old settlement lagoon, which is next door, Great Preston's Lagoon. So that's created a wildlife habitat there.
One of the things that we're trying to do as a company is make sure that when we're doing these really big schemes, Abberton would be another great example in this part of the world, really important strategic projects but being done in a long-term environmentally sustainable way. So Abberton, really proud to be recycling materials on site, improving the habitat there for the birds. Here, likewise, this is a programme that will reduce energy, reduce carbon and ultimately provide a fantastic habitat for wildlife once the reeds are fully mature.
Hanningfield Reservoir and Water Treatment Works supply large parts of Essex and parts of East London, producing more than 225 million litres of fresh drinking water every day. The reed beds are providing a naturally sustainable solution to managing the liquid sludge waste from the treatment process.
It's nature's way of cleaning up our water, and as we get increased population, climate change, the possibility of lower rainfall, to be able to use nature in its most raw and basic way, reed beds to clean up our water is just inspirational. It's nothing new about the actual technologies. Nature's been doing it for years, but here's a water company that has grasped that. And also the absolute basic economics, that this is cheaper than the mechanical, high energy using alternative.